Catherine from the Aberdeen Area Convention and Visitors Bureau. I am here with Travis from the Recreation Department of Parks, Recreation, and Forestry. And you guys have a big spooky weekend this weekend.
We do. Haunted Forest this weekend, one of our biggest events of the year. Super exciting. Been a tradition for 40 plus years. Excited for the weekend.
And it kind of seems to grow, and it always is changing. So if you went last year, there's new scares this year.
Sure, it's always something a little different. You know, we certainly have our staples in there, and you know, the Aberdeen Optimist Club does a really good job of putting on those scenes out there, and they've been working hard for months. So we're excited.
And this is an all volunteer, right? Everybody who's out there, or mostly, is volunteers.
A lot of them are volunteers
out there.
We have a lot of paid staff that help us, you know, within our own department and such. But a lot of the people helping the optimists and stuff out there are volunteer work. Yep.
So, like, if you're super scared, just know people are doing that.
Right.
So what do people need to know? There's 3 performances, or 3 nights, or 2 nights and 1 day of performances.
Correct. So Friday night and Saturday night is our evening scare performances. We'll start selling tickets about 6:30. 6:30 till 10:30. We stop selling tickets at 10:30. So on Friday and Saturday nights is a kind of our scare performances. And I would tell people, when you come out there, if your children aren't sure, don't bring them. And then we have the Saturday afternoon matinee, and that's a child-friendly performance. It's kind of a trick-or-treat performance. We encourage, hey, if you got kids, bring them in costume, have fun. We'll let you walk around out there. Most of the really scary stuff will be kind of covered up and whatnot. There's no scares that happen there at that event, and kind of come through and walk through the park and have fun. They have a lot of different sponsors out there at different scenes, handing out candy and treats and stuff like that too. And then again, Saturday night, another scary event, and should be a lot of fun.
And so you can get tickets right now if you want.
Yes.
To, right?
Here's what we tell people is advance tickets are $15. If you come to the door, you're going to pay $20. So advance tickets are available now. You can pick them up here at the Parks and Rec office. You can pick them up at Dakota Bank, Area Federal Credit Union, Cameron Chiropractic, and Dakota Land Federal Credit Union. All have advance tickets now. Get them now. We'll stop selling those on Friday. So get those now. Save yourself a little bit of money, and then they're $20 at the door.
Awesome. And then the matinee is what, $5?
Matinee is $5. Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
And that's just at the door, right?
Correct.
Yeah. All right. Anything else people need to know about this year's Haunted Forest?
You know what? Come out. It's going to be a great time. We're still looking for help. That's the other thing. Like you said, it takes a small army to put this on, and the optimists need help with scene actors. We still need help with guides and security and people. It takes a lot of people to pull this off and to make it work and to have a really fun event. So if you're interested in helping, give me a call, and we'll point you in the right direction.
Well, thank you, Travis.
Yeah, thank you.
Haunted Forest isn't the only spooky season event this weekend in the Aberdeen area. If you want to know more about all the trunk or treats or the downtown haunted tours, go to our website, visit aberdeensd.com/Halloween-2024 for the full roundup. We have all the best events for spooky season on that page. All right, and a few non-spooky season things. If you are not into the ghosts and goblins, we have other events going on this week as well. There is a farm-to-table homestead cooking demonstration at the library on Thursday evening that starts at 6. That's kind of interesting. They did one with Back 40 Beef, I think last week or 2 weeks ago now, and this one is with C&M Homestead. So lots of fun things going on. The library always has some great events. The American Legion has its turkey shoot Friday night, starts at 7, goes till 10:30. It's free to attend. There'll be a ton of fun games and things to do. That will be at City Lights Bar and Event Center. There will be free music on the Plaza on Friday evening. That starts at 7 p.m. as well. It is the second of the Campfire music sessions on the Plaza. Last time they had s'mores and all sorts of fun stuff going on. So come on by. It's kind of a drop-by event. Listen to music for a little bit. Bring your camp chair and have a fun evening out on the Plaza. And this is the final weekend for Back 40 Beef, Adventure Farm, and Corn Maze. They are open 10 a.m. until 4 p.m. Saturday and Sunday. So if you haven't gotten out there or you've wanted to go again, this is your last chance. If you need more information about these and other events, make sure to head to AberdeenAreaEvents.com. That is our master calendar with all the best events going on for the holiday season, for the spooky season, and all year round. I've been Catherine from the Aberdeen Area Convention and Visitors Bureau. Let's go out there and have an amazing spooky season, haunted forest weekend right here in Aberdeen.